Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, I just gave them some fresh roasted seed and bread. Sadly, one of the young ones was transferred in here for a week, passed away, died, so that's sad, but it happens at this time of year. But the other young one, like that one there, is doing well. And that young one there as well is doing well. I was thinking, some of my birds I've like bred over the years I'm really proud of. Like that one there, it's got a curved tail. Then one of my other favourites is that one there, because that's got a curved tail. And that one's its grandfather. The reason why I'm proud of it, because the bloodline of these Pitsons was from a Phil Street Pitson. That was the bloodline. And now it's got like fantail dove and curved tail dove in the Pitson. Yeah, so I'm happy. But over the years I've bred, I suppose, different types of Pitson. And again, that half-racing Pitson seems to be doing really well. It's a female, but she hasn't got the pattern of her father. I think she got the pattern of her mother. Her mother is brown and white, but her father is a blue bar or a ring bar. But I think she just got the pattern from her mother. And she has got a bit of a curved tail, as you can tell, of her mother. So I'll show you guys what's going on in the back. So we've got one baby here. I think it's either a week or 2 weeks old, but it seems to be doing really well. Father's on it now, so yeah, very very good. Basically, we've got a fantail pitson. That's another one what I'm proud of, because it's its grandmother is a foal pitson, and these came out a fantail. Anyway, he's got 2 young as well. One of them's a pitson, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but we'll find out sooner or later. There. Go up here. Yeah. This pair sees on 2 racing pitson and curved tail. Well, sees on a granddaughter's eggs. Her granddaughter, if I can. No, sorry, it's not her granddaughter, it's her step granddaughter. Get confused, man. Yeah, she's on her step granddaughter's eggs. Racing pitson eggs, because I want to, for being very successful on breeding and raising their own. So I put 2 eggs under them because they only laid 1. So I figured I'd just get rid of their one and put 2 under them. So hopefully another week, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully. Then we've got the 2 curved tail doves. I think another week or maybe a few days, or a week, and then I'll transfer them into the outdoor aviary. They're grandkids to her, so she's grandmother to them. And we've got a new nest. She's on 2 eggs. What was laid this week. So yeah, basically we've reached the end of the video, folks. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my channel, give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. If you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, I'll try my very best to answer them. I'm sorry that it took me a few weeks to reply, but last week I've replied to all of you, so I'm going to make that a more frequent thing to reply to you guys, so please leave your questions and comments down below and I'll reply back. Today is a special day, not for this channel, for my other channel, because basically my other channel was started 10 years ago. It's my 10-year anniversary of being on YouTube for my other channel. I can't believe that 10 years ago I started this channel. I've got 2, so I'm just very proud of my work. So if you want to check out my other channels, please do. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.